Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback S-Line 25 TFSI. It comes dressed in the eye-catching Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 1,623 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with the 5-spoke V design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. As you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from, and connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with parking aid, the rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. And radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below, you have the manual air conditioning, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points, and a place to keep your phone and keys, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.